Hello and welcome to the Arant Massage Chair Installation Guide. This video will take you step by step through the assembly and setup of a high-end massage chair. Unpack all boxes: main chair unit, calf assembly, accessory storage box. Connect power cord, flip chair power switch. Hold the multi-function button on the armrest to power on the massage chair. Then hold the button again to reset the chair. Wait for full chair reset, then install calf assembly. First connect the calf air hose to the matching chair port. Then attach the wire connector assembly. Next, remove latches on both sides. Latch removal method: pull outward, then lift up. Lift the calf assembly and hook it onto both side latches. Reinstall and secure the removed latches. Repeat steps for the other calf. Connect air hose and wire connectors, then secure assembly to chair. Finally, zip up the calf and seat cushion. Your massage chair is now fully assembled. Operate the chair via armrest buttons and test all functions. If all functions work, sit back, relax and enjoy your brand new Arant massage chair.